If you're in Liberty, Missouri, and in need of efficient waste management solutions, look no further. Introducing Huntley Disposal, your trusted partner for hassle-free and reliable dumpster rentals. At Huntley Disposal, we understand that effective waste removal is crucial for any project. Explore our range of dumpster rental options tailored to meet your specific needs. Our dumpster rentals are perfect for home cleanouts, renovations, construction projects, and more. With a variety of sizes available, we ensure that you have the right dumpster to handle the demands of your project, big or small. We prioritize timely delivery and pickup, transparent pricing, and excellent customer service. When you choose us for your dumpster rental needs, you can trust that we'll make the process easy and convenient for you. Trust Huntley Disposal for all your dumpster rental needs, where each project is treated with the utmost importance and attention to detail. For reliable dumpster rentals in Liberty, Missouri, choose Huntley Disposal. Call us at 816-532-1065 or visit www.huntleydisposal.com. Dumpster Rental Liberty MO to reserve your dumpster today. At Huntley Disposal, your waste management needs are handled carefully and efficiently.